Well, here's an up and coming project. This will be a fun one, I think. Well, I know it will be. Should be real fun. So I picked up this table. Someone was just wanted it out of the house, get rid of it. And you can see it's in pretty rough shape. It's went through hours and hours of play. But I will point out some things I really like about it. First of all, wooden handles. I like the robot men. I also like the colors, silver, black. The plain surface, really not sure about it. It's not gloss, so that's good. It appears to be okay as far as flat. Plus, I'm going to change it from a 3 goalie to a 1 goalie. And then we'll have to put our corner things in. We'll totally going to take some of it apart, rebuild the legs. I'm not even sure what of the original will stay. Like maybe this, it looks like the MDF board right here. So that might work as a good base for building out on. May enclose the hole on bottom for storage. The bars, a little bit, not sure. Hopefully they're going to clean up fine. I think they will. And then here we're going to have to totally get new ones. The way it looks. Yeah, some of them for sure. They seem loose. Yeah. So we'll have to research that. And I think actually I can buy ones just like this. Okay, so it should be fun. Hopefully the bars will clean up really nice. Well, there it is. Upcoming project.